This is Sean Mulligan. My lovely wife, Jess Mulligan. And as I was sitting here, minding my own business, just trying to give a little bit of afternoon loving, because
This happened.
who decided they was getting some afternoon loving too? I guess I'm not getting none from Jess.
Oh yeah, I'm so
Only
horny
from Blizzard.
now.
He's killing my leg right now. Little sucker's going to town. I don't want to stop him because I'm afraid he's going to be angry. Please get off. He doesn't ever seem to get enough. Oh, boy.
Oh, this comforter is
House
dry
sitting.
clean only.
That roof's dry cleaning it, right?
Yeah.
He doesn't stop. Look, oh, round two. The dog should be a fucking porno star. You just sit there and go for it, go for it, go for it.
Oh my God, this is so awkward.
It kind of is, isn't it? This is my beautiful wife, Jess. Give me a kiss. Real Blizzard. Jeez.
Don't kick him.
I didn't kick him. I just moved him. The dog's a pervert. No wonder we're house sitting him. Look, right back to the leg. He doesn't take a hint. I already got mine, you little sucker. All right.
Good night.
Good night.